Alright, everyone, we're back. And today, tatapusin na natin to. Hopefully matapos na. Pero wala pa rin naman yung next, like, last burger. So, technically, hindi pa rin siya tapos. But, you know what I mean? Y'all. 1, 2, 3. Magsisimula na naman tayo sa umpisa. 5-2. Hindi naman kailangan i-upgrade yung mga intern. Hindi ko gagawin yan, bro. Bibili ako ng expansion today. Pero feeling ko din naman natin matatapos today. Ang dami pa ni bilhin. So like, yeah. 590.
5 stars for that speed.
Well, ganun talaga ang buhay. Hindi na matapos-tapos ng series na to. Yeah. 9:35. Then this guy 8:34. Ano ba yan? Stop going in na. It's already done na. Okay na. Hindi pa puno. I need to do their orders. Oh, what the hell? Bruh. No. Bro. Alright. Continue. 11:30. Wait, the tables. Wait. Bada. 9:3. 6:84. Ayo, 69. Ayo. Ay. Wait. We need more money. Come on.
That was fast.
Come on, baby, yo, now, come on.
Ito na mali sa yung mga tables. 6:34. Womp womp. 35.
Wow, that was fast.
Di ko alam kung ano yung price ng next expansion. Titignan ko lang mamaya after we close kasi like super need natin mag-hurry to make
that was
money.
fast.
And we need to squeeze the time, limited time to make it.
You're quick with the checkout.
Hindi na ata kaya yung buns. Ang dami pang customer, y'all. My gosh. Level 90. Tapos, like, wala pa yung mga buns. 518. Like, please, bro. Last. Well, not last kasi meron pa sa, drive-thru. Bro, please, hurry up. Please, man. Ang daming cheese, heck. Okay, dyan na yung mga buns. 9. Oh no, wala na rin tayong patty. We have expand 500. Okay, carry yan. Baka carry na natin yan sa next day or after next day. And then, 275. Okay, carry yan. How long have we been playing? 40 minutes. Okay lang yan. Carry. People really enjoy their fries. Okay, good na bro. Okay, mag-expand na tayo. Last expansion, my gosh. Okay, last 2 tables. 800 na yung sunod. Oh my gosh, ang laki na lang natin. Burger, kiname. I don't know what it's called. I still don't know what it's called. Burger shop na lang. Alright, level 92. $541. Hunter food. Okay. 496. 455.
Quick with the checkout.
488. 882. 780. Beep, 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 patapim, patapim. Right, bro. Oh, dang. I've been recording for like 25 minutes now. And all I did in this episode was to expand. But like, at least we will have more episodes, guys. And I'm gonna end this episode right here. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!